Hey everyone, this is Ryan with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm sitting at the closing table today with Susan, and we just finished purchasing her property in Clarksville, Tennessee today. Susan, could you share with us a little bit about the situation that caused you to reach out to us?
Yes. I had wanted to sell my home for a while, and I didn't want to deal with realtors and fixing things, painting, all the things that you would have to do with a realtor. So I reached out back in, I want to say, the end of May. And it has been super simple. And I had multiple conversations with Brandon about it. And he would call and check in. And I would say, well, not today. And I would find another excuse. And then one day I just woke up and was like, okay, it's time.
And how would you say it went versus what you expected?
I had expected it to be a nightmare. I was expecting way worse than it is. It has been super simple. Everybody's been extremely helpful. I didn't think I would find a new place to go live, and you all helped me with that, with the relocation assistance, and found my perfect rental, and I'm ready to go.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing. If this resonates with any of you all at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and give us a call at 615-933-5431 or check us out at www.mytennesseehomesolution.com.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.